Are you dealing with this inconvenience? I've been dealing with this for like, I don't know, a lot of years. Look can you even see when you say go open this one comes up. You open this one comes up. Because these things have sort of fallen down a bit. They don't match up anymore. Look at low rent. Oh, and it doesn't look good at all. Anyway, I was tired of it. I thought, oh, I gotta figure this out and fix it. So, I fixed it and then I put it back to show you how bad it is. And I'm gonna fix it right now, and everyone else can fix it too. Because it's easy to fix. It's like a trick to it. I'll show you the trick. So you just open it up. Lovely. So annoying. I put the light in there so you can see. And look. They made this for that. Do you see this? It's built so you can move it back and forth. So all you do is push it in and screw it in. See how I pushed it in? Oh, shit. Anyway, it is snug. And then I'm going to screw it in. Tighten her up. Like so. Yay. Go to the other side. See what's going on. Oh, look. It's at the end as well. So, you look at it. You just push it in and screw it in. Well, it tells you that. So people like me get handymen when really we can just do it all ourselves. How hard is it? Push it in and then tighten up the screw hard as you can. There, it should stay there for at least 10 years now. The time has come to see if it works. Do, 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 do. Ha, ha, ha. So when I want to open this side, it doesn't hit. When I open this side, it doesn't hit. So, I mean, how long did that take? And then you can feel good about yourself. Yay.